Pocket Opinion best promo codes and discount coupon. To get them, simply open your Chrome and search for coupon codes and then click on the first website called VThrift. Now, here in this website, you will see the first code for 50% bonus. You can read the details and then click on the copy code option to get this promo code. And after copying it, you can simply apply it on the official account on the Pocket Opinion. Now, to get all the coupon codes, you simply have to scroll to the down. You can match the best compatible and comfortable promo code for you. Like, I want to save dollars, or I want cash back, I want to save premium membership. You can see all type of promo codes from here in this menu. You just have to verify this. Please do not select very old promo codes. Please select the recently used promo codes and then you will succeed to get a discount in official website. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe to our channel for watching such updates and views like this.